Oh, hello there folks. Just watching the sun through the window in this bedroom. Just having a moment. It's only 5 days till the museum's open and there's lots to do, folks. Today I've been on with the Bristol Hercules, which I shall show you in a bit, and I'm currently on with some floor painting yet again. So let's go take a look. How these rooms have been transformed from what they were, folks. We're now moving things about and slowly setting up displays. Wow, that sunlight's nice. First time the lights come through these windows in decades. All the holes were bricked up. Yeah, as you can see, a lot of work in progress, folks. And now we're about to do a little bit of painting. If you watched the last video, you'll have seen me paint this corridor. And yes, it wants another coat, yes, it wants cleaning, but what an improvement. So next, I'm going to do this one. And get that bit done. And I've half done this room because that big table won't fit through the door, so I've had to move it to one side. So that one's currently drying. That you're not meant to see. We'll see it soon. So, I'll get my paintbrush and we'll get this bit painted. Well, as you can see, I've just been around the edges. And now I'll get the old roller and give it a coat. And a little bit more of the authenticity is back. Well, hopefully that will be dry by morning. It's starting to get dark now, it's time to go home. Yeah, that should be dry by morning. Alright. Time to turn some lights off. Lock up. And then we'll take a look at the Bristol Hercules. So I just thought I'd show you this before I go home. As you can see, we've got rid of most of that horrible lime green paint. I'd love to see one polished up completely, but it'll look really nice. So, as for what colour to paint it, I did pose the question, black or the green at the back of the engine, or what's on these? And many of you did say green. Well, the original colour of this reduction gear and the timing gears here was grey. As I've taken the paint off, I came across grey paint, and after speaking with a good expert on the Halifax and the Hercules, we know they were black during the war, but not at the back, it would seem. Mainly, if it was grey on this, it was black in World War II. And I'd like to make it look a little bit more World War II, seeing as it is a World War II museum. Yes, it's out of a Hastings, it could be dated as late as 1962, but it's a Bristol Hercules. And if you've never seen one, does it matter exactly what model it is? I mean, the big giveaway is these exhausts on the Halifax that came forwards into a collector ring. These go backwards. Should we change them? Should we take them off? It'd be nice to get an original Halifax setup, but hey ho, it is what it is. So yes, this will be painted soon. Might make a video on that if you're interested. But yeah, let's just take a closer look at the grey paint. It has to be said though, it really has improved things, getting rid of that green. Obviously we've still got little bits here and there. But if you look down here, folks, this area here, that's grey paint. And under that is the aluminium, so it was painted grey at the front. And into these pieces here, basically the crankcase two halves would have been painted grey. Painting aluminium fins is never a good idea, so they would have been as they are, I suspect. But yes, the plan is to paint it black, folks. I don't care if you hate it, it's just to look a little bit more World War II. But like I said, can you imagine one completely polished up? Bear in mind, a lot of this engine is actually aluminium. Can you imagine it all as a mirror polished item? Be a thing of beauty. Anyway folks, that's it, just a short video today. Maybe some videos of the museum's opening at Easter. Maybe something on this. Get some paint on this bare aluminium. And normal service, hopefully, as far as videos go, will be resumed shortly. So anyway, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and all that jazz. Catch you on the next one.